Have you ever yawned, and suddenly, the person next to you yawns too? But why do we yawn, and why is it so contagious? Some say it's because our brain needs more oxygen, but science says that's a myth. Yawning actually helps cool down the brain. When we're tired or bored, our brain heats up, so a yawn is like a natural AC to keep us alert. And the contagious part? Scientists think it's linked to empathy. Our brain sees someone yawn and whoops, we do it too. It's our way of mirroring emotions. And now that I've talked about yawning, you probably want to yawn too, don't you?